Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning into part 2 of my spring declutter and organization. So part 1 was focused on my toddler's clothes, and I was just going through all of her clothes, even down to when she was wearing a preemie, just going through all of her clothes and items and getting inventory of what I had and just kind of making piles to get ready to start the organization process. And part 2 is going to be focused on actually organizing all of her clothes and her items and just showing you the bags that I put them in, the labels for the bags, how I make my labels for my actual bins as well. And I also redid the labels for her cubbies that are in our room currently that holds some of her clothes that she's wearing now. So I really hope that you all are enjoying this series. And I also have a part 3 that's coming out in a few weeks, and that is going to be focused on my older girls' clothes. They are 11 and 8. So make sure that you subscribe so you can be on the lookout for that video. And of course, make sure that you leave me a comment if you do have any questions or comments just in general. All right, enjoy. Bye. So, I need to go in this bin and figure out what's happening. Okay, so let's figure out what's going on in here, because I don't even know. Oh, this is 6 months summer clothes. So, I would have 1, 2, 3, 4 bags in here, which I think is probably perfect. But then I put 3 to 6 months in here, which technically 3 to 6 month clothes should stay with that. I have newborn, 0 to 3. Where's her preemie? Oh, I have preemie right here too. Preemie, newborn, 0 to 3, 3-month-old shirts. These are 0 to 3 month outfits. And then I have 3 month summer clothes, 3 to 6 month summer clothes. So I'll just leave that in here. And then I'm gonna take this and grab the 6 month and the 6 to 12 month clothes out of here and put them in this bin, because I also have some 6 to 12 month clothes that I can add in another bag. So let me see what's in here. But for now, oh shoot, I have this too. So honestly, I don't even know if all of this is gonna fit here. Because I have to somehow fit the blankets in here. Yeah, this isn't gonna fit. What happened to my Sharpie? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, so I have to write on here. Huh? Sharpie, this is what I was afraid that you took, because you like to draw on walls.
I took it.
You took it?
I took it.
You didn't take it? Okay.
I took it.
So this is 3 to 6 month and 6-month miscellaneous clothes. Okay, so I got that label. So I'm just gonna put that on here. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna put that over there. Actually, that here. Actually, no. Okay, wow. Okay. This bin out because it's too small for what is going in here. And then I do have this bin as well. Lots of bottles that were never used, like fresh bottles. So saving those. I don't know why we never use them, but. And I'm not gonna label these. I mean, it's pretty clear that they're bottles. And I also have my Moby wrap in here. This is my like breast pump stuff, like, you know, all that. I have random cream in here, my nipple cream. Yeah, and I have like my Hakas in here. These are fantastic, by the way. I have 2 Hakas. That's all like breast pump, breastfeeding, but I'm not, that's probably a whole nother story, but I'm not gonna be breastfeeding, I don't think. No, I'm not, I can't, some medical stuff, but. And then I have the actual breast pump, breast pads, and this is like the bag for the breast pump. So this is kind of what that is, so.